If your QuickBook files feels messy and looks messy, trust me, you need to look at your chart of accounts. This is normally the root of all problems. My name is Catherine Cahill. I am based in Alabama, and this is what I'm going to cover in this video. So if you keep your books, you want to listen to the end of this. I'm going to give you the two places that you definitely want to look at, maybe three. So you want to start with your chart of accounts. Look for duplicates. When you're reviewing it, look for duplicates. You want to start using, if you are not doing it yet, more generic universal terms. So instead of having Facebook ads, Google ads, Canva, if you use that, use something like marketing that will capture all of them. So even when you're running your report, you don't have all these small things that are in the report that it even makes it harder for you to read it. So you want to review and remove all the duplicates and rename them the way that it's going to be more generic and it's going to capture more in it. Okay. The second place you want to look at your rules. If you have rules in there that maybe you just say they are auto add and sometimes it can start picking up things not the right way. So for example, for my client, he uses a fuel card. So when I go check my gas expense, my fuel expense, it should only be that fuel card that he uses. If I see other things posted in that account that do not belong to that fuel card, then I know something is not right. But even after reclassifying the ones that were not correct, I will go to my rules and check if I ever, by mistake, put a rule that captures other things to go under gas. So you want to look at your chart of accounts, then you want to look at your rules, and definitely you're going to look at your reports. Run your profit and loss and run your balance sheet. I will start with the balance sheet. If you see things in there that is not an asset, it shouldn't be there, then it was set up wrong. Maybe something was set up as an asset and therefore now it's showing up in the balance sheet. And maybe it was set up like a bank, because you can choose anything to be a bank in QuickBooks. So you can go back to your chart of accounts and make sure that that stops being recorded as a bank. After you've noticed it in the balance sheet, and it's not supposed to be there, you need to go do a journal entry to reverse that. And then go to your chart of accounts to make sure that that mistake doesn't happen next year. Go to your chart of accounts and correct that. Disable the one that is in there that is wrong. Anyway, keep it short. I have a PDF that will cover some cleanup things that you can use as you clean up your chart of accounts. In that, it's more detailed and you will be able to follow through. My name is Catherine Cahill, like I've already mentioned. I have QuickBooks 101 to help my clients, those who still keep up with their books. It's okay. And because I file their taxes, I do want their records to be right. So I do have a one-on-one meeting with them on Zoom. I get into their QuickBook file and then they can ask me questions that are pertaining their business and how they should treat it in QuickBooks. I also have for the business owners who get more busy and they can no longer take care of it, I do have monthly bookkeeping and I also offer cleanups. So reach out if I can assist you. All right. I'll leave my details at the bottom of this video. Thank you.